Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by PropertyCozy.com. Nestled in the pristinely landscaped Richmond estate, St. Anne, sits this beautiful corner lot villa, which checks all the boxes for a great family home, or investment property. It consists of 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, helper's quarters with its own bathroom and indoor laundry. There is also a garage, with automatic door opener and security cameras. Property is beautifully landscaped and is being sold furnished. The land area of this house is 6,576 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $499,900 or Jamaican $76.9 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you can visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.